There's something important here that you should have if you can get all, well, you can't get all. This came from Ozone. It's a vlajometer, a moisture tester, and you can see here it's got two prongs on the top. Ow. And you just switch it on and you put it to the correct type of timber. So we're a larch pine, which is what we're going here. So we'll go BD, and then stick it in to your timber and sticking timber, and it gives I'll put it on hold here so you can see that this is about 12% moisture. 12% moisture it's ideal. It's very, very dry timber. Often it comes, if it's new, it's going to be 30% or more. You can't use it because when it dries the wood shrinks, and if it shrinks then obviously you get, when you're making your frame, you get gaps in the frame. We'll go through all that. But that's one piece, and you can see all over. I'm testing stuff all over. This is the 150 by 25s at 10. This here is 150 by 50s. Wait, can't get it to stick in. That's at 10, 10.8. It's all very dry material, even some different material here. That's what coming out at 11. So it's all basically, and you want to be somewhere between 18 and 20% of moisture. No more than that. Any more than that, you've got to let it dry. This stuff here, I wasn't expecting it to be dry like that, but it is, and so because of that, we can actually use it immediately. I wasn't planning on doing that, but there we go. So what's going to happen now is that the second load is coming. He's gone back to load up. He'll be coming back, and then that'll be unloaded over there, and then tomorrow, I will start today actually, today and tomorrow. Every piece of this has to be moved and restacked with spacers to let airflow, otherwise it will go black. And also, ideally, it should be covered in antiseptic, but because of the dry nature, and also something else, I'll show you. 1 second. This has been cut when it was already dried. Like I said, it was cut in the winter. It was sitting all winter, drying, and then it's just been cut up into boards now. Just yesterday. So the result is that when it's dry and cut, you're not going to get any shrinkage. So this is coming out at 150 millimeters by, what we're getting here, 25, and then on the main pieces, which is the main important pieces, 149 millimeters by 48 or something like that, and they're all roughly about the same. About 49, 50, 150, practically 150 everywhere. There we go. And that's because it's dry. If that had been wet material, when it dries you lose about a centimetre, so you'd be down to 140 millimeters. So that's, for me, is absolutely ideal. Yeah, it's what more can you say? This is free material from the government, from the Russian government.